Find features that distinguish it from other brands for JUOIFIP Snow Machine, 1200 watt, wireless remote control, Snowmaker machine. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include powerful performance. The Snowmaker machine features a 1200 watt motor, which outputs an impressive 4500 CFM. It can cover a wide range from 6.5 to 25 feet or 2 to 8 meters, allowing you to create a substantial amount of snow quickly and efficiently for various winter activities or decorative purposes. Tips: Snow machine on desktop, nozzle lifted up for longer spraying distance. High-quality control system. The machine is equipped with a high-quality electronic temperature control system and advanced chip. This precise control ensures the optimal production of snow, maintaining the right consistency and quality. It gives you the confidence to rely on its performance and enjoy consistent snowmaking results. Durable metal construction. Made with a metal body, it offers excellent heat dissipation. This not only ensures the longevity of the machine but also allows it to operate stably during continuous use. The sturdy metal build makes it a reliable choice for long-term snow-making needs. User-friendly and portable. It is extremely easy to use, even for beginners. Comes with an 28.7 fluid ounce or 850 milliliters storage tank, reducing the need for frequent refills. Additionally, it is equipped with a handle, making it highly portable. You can easily move it around to different locations to make snow wherever you desire. Versatile application. With its wide range of applications, this fake snow maker is great for stage performances, shopping malls, scenic areas, weddings, corporate events, and television shows. Whether it's for a backyard winter wonderland or a winter event decoration, it can meet your different requirements and add a touch of snowy charm. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.